20mm watch band. Use with any traditional or smart watch that uses 20mm lug width. Quick release spring bars are included with and integrated into the band. So it is important that your Galaxy Watch 4 band's lug width matches the band width 20mm, otherwise, the 20mm band does not fit your watch properly. Measure the width where the band meets the watch casing before ordering. Smart watch widths. The following picture part has listed the proper width for most popular smart watches use 20mm. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 40mm/44mm, Galaxy Watch 4 Classic 46mm/42mm, 2021 released. But not compatible with Samsung Galaxy Watch 2019, 46mm, Samsung Gear S2 Classic, not fit Samsung Gear S2, Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 41mm/Galaxy Watch Active 40mm/Classic 42mm 46mm/Active 2 40mm 44mm. Sizing, designed to fit almost any wrist. The 20mm bands are 3.15 x 4.72, 7.87 total length, 0.11, 20mm. Precision cut eyelets allow for individualized adjustment to achieve the perfect fit. 2 cross-stitched collars allow the band to be secured. Refined, durable, and comfortable all-in-one. Easy installation. Fullmosa quick release design makes it fast and simple to install and change your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 band in seconds. While most people can do this with just their fingers,